Hey YouTube, SJ here, and today we are going to be unboxing the Converse Sneaker and Stuff camo print. Oh yeah, 1 star. Let's get to it. Hey YouTube, SJ here, and today we're going to be unboxing the Converse Sneaker and Stuff collaboration that dropped back on the 12th of April. We're going to speed up about now. As usual, that took me a bit of time. It's a bit of a story here, guys. These were released on Sneakers and Stuff exclusively, I believe, across Europe. However, they did a raffle draw. I entered. Did I win? Of course I didn't. So one evening, I was just browsing Nike.com in the US when Mr. B, hiding behind Sneaker Cam, was away. And there they were on general release in the US. So I purchased them, and they've winged their way via my US address to the UK. And then, of course, Sneakers and Stuff send out an email basically saying loads of people never collected the sneakers that they won via the raffle, and would I like to buy a pair? No, because I've just bought a pair from the blimmin' US. Anyway, enough about raffles and my disappointment. I love Converse, but for whatever reason, I haven't owned a pair for 5 years, Mr. B. Yeah? He's saying yes. I used to live in Converse, like all the time, and then for whatever reason I just sort of fell out of love and started buying other sneakers. But anyway, so here we go. So this is the Sneakers and Stuff, as I said, Converse collaboration, and this is the camo 1 star collab. Now I picked up, let's hope they've sent me the right one. Wow, lots of paper. Oh. So I picked up the Lavender Camo. Oh my word, look at this. This is pretty epic. Look at that, camera 1. Look at that, camera 2. And Sneaker Cam. You can have a good look at these in a minute. Let's get them both out of the box. So there's a bit of story behind these. They've taken the classic camo. These came in 2 colorways actually. They came in the classic camo, which is obviously the green, which I believe is officially called Canteen Camo. And they also produced this Lavender Camo. Not a colour I'd normally go for, but there was just something about them that I absolutely loved. I say, they're looking a bit big. So this is a 1960s US military camo print. I think the really interesting thing about these that Sneakers and Stuff and Converse have done is that instead of printing the camo print on the actual shoe, you know, Converse traditionally either the canvas or the suede, you'd imagine it to be printed on there. Each separate panel, show this on Sneaker Cam, is either leather or suede. So each piece is actually an individual piece of material that has been stitched together. And these have been done really nicely. I mean, the leather on the back here, the back tab, if you can see that, camera 1. Camera 2, can you see that? And on the front here, the leather is super nice. It's a really nice soft leather. Are you picking this up, Sneaker Cam? No, not really. The leather is as soft as Mr. B's recent Jordan Shadows that reviewed about a week ago, so there'll be a video of those. It's that kind of leather, really, really soft, and the suede is nice and thick. Colours are just pretty epic. Yeah, these are really nice. And also you've got 2 sets of laces, so you've either got the black or the white lace as well, so you can decide on what colour laces. I think I might change these over and put the black in. Sorry, I'm gone quiet because I'm just having a really good look at them. They are so epic. Now you've also got on the, I'm not sure if the camera can pick this up. Sneaker Cam, can you pick this up? So just along here on the sole, you've got this text. And if I read it out on the other one, so it says Sneakers and Stuff Department, 1 star, US 513, mixed materials, cont number 990326. And it has that on both shoes. Then on the back, you got the Converse All-Star tab, which feels wrong because they're a 1 star. So then you've got here embossed on this white panel the Sneakers and Stuff logo, SNS. So these are a really nice pickup. A little bit on the pricey side. I think I paid $105 for them, but as I said, they were on general release on Nike.com. So yeah, I got them. I paid a premium, obviously shipping them over. I paid about $60 to get these shipped over. So I've paid over retail, which is slightly irritating, as I said, because obviously Sneakers and Stuff did have some left over from their drawer, but you know, it's a nice shoe, and it was a shoe that I really wanted, and I really called these out on the stream several weeks ago, and I was really obsessing over this colour, so I had to get them. Now I've gone for a US 7, which is a men's 7, which is what I normally buy in Nike when I'm buying men's shoes. And I have to say, these are looking a little bit on the big side. They look quite wide, but they're going to fit me no matter what. They've got to fit me, basically. So what do we think, guys? I think these are an epic pickup. There was also a clothing collab that went with these. They had like a long sleeve top. They had a Gore-Tex waterproof nylon jacket. You know, it's quite a nice little collaboration, but for me, these were the standout. So yeah, what do we think? Thumbs up, thumbs down, I'm not sure. A little bit something different on the channel as well. I know loads of you say that we predominantly buy Nike, and we do because that's what we like, but you know, I do buy Vans as well, practically live in Vans, but you know, as I said, first pair of Converse in a long time, so I'm looking forward to wearing these. I don't seem to have, see, I thought most Converse came with the zoom insole these days, and these ones don't, which is quite interesting, because I thought they might have put that into these, but they haven't. Come in close, Mr. B. It just says inside, Sneakers and Stuff Converse. I'm not picking that up. Camera 2, are you picking that up? Sneakers and Stuff Converse. Yeah, so no apparent fancy inner sole. They are a nice shoe. These are gonna have to be sprayed to death with the old Crep Protect, because I don't want these ruined by the rain at all. I'm gonna wear these. I'm gonna wear these a lot. These will be my summer shoes, people. My summer shoes. So what do we think? As I said, leave us a comment. We always like to read your comments, and we always respond to them, or we respond to as many as we can. We really appreciate you taking the time out to leave comments. And don't forget as well, we are uploading on Tuesdays and Thursdays, and on Sundays we're streaming Sunday, Sneaker Streaming Sunday. So we stream at 8 PM GMT, which is 12 PM on the Pacific Coast and 3 PM on the East Coast. So do come along and join us, where we chat about sneakers, sneaker news, what's on our feet, because we love interacting with you guys out there on this channel and out there on their internet. I don't know what I'm saying. I'm rambling on. It feels like it's been ages since I've done one of these. Mr. B has been buying lots of sneakers recently. Well, I've been saving the old dollars. I have, yeah. Anyway, guys, catch us on stream, and there'll be an on feet of these coming up over the next few weeks. So see you soon. Pint of Stuff over and out.